we got this new bumper from Barricade because old bumper looks like this. Okay, so this is the bumper we're replacing. It's kind of bent. My son was trying to pull somebody out. They were in quicksand. Bent the bumper real good. But yeah, we're going to stick this on and see how it looks. This has a lot more ledge here, giving you ability to step on. And trailer hitch looks beefy. Nice toe areas. So hopefully this one doesn't bend up. Also, it has bolts down here to keep it from bending up. So, it'll be awesome. Well, stay tuned. Okay, so we have a lot of the bolts out, but now we have to cut these welds off that the previous owner decided to weld this little piece of crap bumper on there.
Stock bumper.
Stock bumper?
Yeah.
They welded the stock bumper on. So, due to the damage to the bumper, we're going to do some grinding and grind off these welds that were holding the previous bumper on. Okay, so we straightened out the bumper here and then we hammered in these things. We're probably going to have to put washers behind them. And then this one, we're going to take and we're going to re-weld it. And there's our welder. A bunch of supervisors.
Yes. You gotta make sure you do it correctly. Gotta learn from our mistakes.
Am I tightening this?
What is taking you
I'm
so
going
long?
this way. This way. I don't want to break it. This way.
Yeah,
That's
Righty tighty, lefty
Yeah.
loosey.
this would be right.
Yeah.
This would be.
Yeah, I know that.
Hey, breaker one?
You're going the wrong way, Brian.
I am? So you don't go this way. Tyler!
You didn't even ask me.
Oh my
You
god.
just told him how to do it.
Okay. That's left. You're going the right way. That's how you look at it.
Okay.
Told you.
I was going the other way. Oh my god. That's like oil crap.
Yes, you changed your gears.
I already tightened this thing so much. Oh.
I didn't drink your protein today.
I know. There we go. Okay, yeah. Is there another one on the other side? Yep.
Okay, so I'm sweating out the bumper. First thing we're going to do is take off these plates. So we can mount these and then lock up where the bumper needs to go. Always wear proper safety shoes. I took a wonderful picture though. So,
You have a bolt?
so once you have the mount off, you just put the plate back on before you try to mount up your bumper. That way you don't have to really hold the bumper while you're trying to put bolts in. Putting the bumper on, this is a mock-up. We're going to then, once we have it mocked up, so just you'd line up the holes. We left the mounts loose, and then we're going to tighten the mount as good as we can. And then we're going to take the bumper back off so we can tighten it the rest of the way.
Okay. That's the size of.
So we got all the mounts on and we're ready to stick the bumper on. Bumper is on. And the bowl holes match. Until he pushes that side and he covers the bowl holes. And then he pushes that side and he uncovers the, it's like a match to see who can actually show the bowl holes first. Okay, on that side, a lot of prying to get these bolts to match up. This side, ratchet strap. You get this side to match up. And on the bottom, we're just going to weld it. Because it's a bit much. But it's a good looking bumper.
And why?
The bolts don't match up, baby. That's why.
No, because Brandon Bennett.
Yeah, Brandon Bennett. Going mudding and trying to pull people out. Okay, last bolt tightening. Then we're going to be doing some welding. We got the bottom bolt down there tight. Going to do some welding on the other side. Jeep's going to be right as rain. That bumper's looking sharp.
Go. She's on.
Now we couldn't do the other side because of four-wheeling frame damage. So we have our welder going to go down there and fix the other side.
Oh, that's gonna be a big gap to do. Alright, I'm good. Alright,
What are you
this.
doing to
Maybe you
yourself?
should have put your sleeves on all the way.
Well, it's like a shirt.
What are we doing? Causing third-degree burns over here? Oh, goodness.
Yeah. So, no, just
It's very hot. Forgot about that.
I wonder why.
I don't know.
I have brush poplar shorts, Brian.
That's cool.
That's what you weld in.
Well, when Brandon goes to school, we welds and those kind of things. He's having school.
Where'd you go? Why are you going through there?
You having issues?
No, it's like, I see lights,
We're watching paint.
I see flickering, I wanna do it, I wanna market it.
Alright, other side.
Yeah, that's good, Brian.
And then, go back and,
And other stuff. I was stubborn to do this.
Yeah.
Freaking 8 hours to put on a bumper.
2 weeks to put gears
Brandon,
in.
what do you think about, how do you think I think about the videos for my recipes?
I know.
It takes,
That's terrible.
it's a 30-minute recipe that takes like 2.5 freaking hours, it's annoying. Yes, I understand. I really-
No, that's that thing.
Yay! Sticking the tire on. We are done with this
Let
project.
me go get the bolts.
Maybe. Gotta find the bolts.
Alright, let's see.
Can you see it?
Yep.
You sure?
It's on. There you go.
Wait, no.
It's on.
No, it's not. It is. You can see both of them lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Yeah. Did it get pushed back through? Should have.
Alright, let me pick it up. You okay, ready? Alright, ready? Aim it. Up.
Alright, set down on the bumper.
I got a bumper right here.
Yeah. Okay. You see, you got 3 bolts.
Yeah.
You got 3 lugs.
Wait, I figured it out. Hang on, I got this. You do it like that.
Yeah, that's
Then now go up. Here we go. I am so confused.
Yeah.
There we go. Go on. No, that's it. Yeah, all of them are.
There you go.
Yeah, bird. Okay, guys, so we got the darn thing installed, and the Barricade bumper, really nice. My son, or our son, has been out there testing it out, and
Look at this. This is like
well, he actually used these hooks.
grass. Where did you find grass?
They actually use the hooks to actually pull a Ford out. Pretty awesome. So this is a lot sturdier, and plus it has this ledge, so you can step on the ledge if you need to get to your access to your roof, like you're putting on the top and trying to pull it over or things like that. The last bumper didn't have that. It had these little kind of round things that stick out. Don't step on them when you're barefoot.
And it was bent.
And it was bent, yes. The previous bumper, the stock bumper, had been welded at the top. Didn't have any mounts at the bottom to hold it on. So it was, when you pulled on another car to pull it out, it just bent up. So
It was gone.
a lot better. And we're also looking at front bumpers now. We're thinking we're going to go with a Barricade there as well. Maybe a winch mount. So
We're always gonna have fun.
yes, he is going to have fun. So looking at that. Also, we're looking at recipes every week. And
I had to punch that one in there.
had to punch it in there. Had this recipe just released. Really easy, really good, especially in current situations. So I know a lot of people are staying home right now, and it's really easy to whip up while you're fumbling through homeschool with your
Feed
kids.
family.
Yes,
With minimal ingredients. This is why I do what I do, because like times like this has really helped.
right.
Really helped.
Yeah, because today I was trying to figure out how to get a program loaded for my son so he could do his homework.
Right.
Homeschool, interesting.
Okay, anyways, back to this.
But yeah, we have a lot of stuff coming up, and we're also, hopefully we can get back on.
Look at this, y'all. This is what he is doing. Seriously, this is sand.
Well, hopefully we can get back to the boat and on the water. And
Soon.
we are hoping for that. But, we just play it by ear, and we continue to do things that we can do.
Right.
If y'all like our channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like
You
this.
see how polite we are? Please.
Please.
No, I'm kidding. We're not begging. We're just saying, hey, you like us?
You
We do
can,
interesting things, I think.
you can also go to our website and subscribe there for only the content you want, like recipes or DIYs or travel. So,
Sorry, I'm sun in my eyes right now.
yes, I have the Chris Does What How on. Keeps the sun out of my eyes.
I need one of those.
And y'all please take care.